Hello, boys and girls. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies. It's 9:19 a.m. and it's a bright, sunny, very warm day outside. And what we're making here is pancakes, but we're gonna mix it up a little bit because today we're gonna try Bowl and Basket Complete Buttermilk mix from ShopRite, which is obviously not a name brand. And I want to see what happens. Does it taste the same? Will it be as good? Who knows? But it's a ready mix, which says it only needs just water. It says just add water. But I never make my pancakes that way. So I've got milk mixed in with the water, about half and half, about a cup, which is a little bit more than they'd say for a cup of flour. But that's how I do it. Usually I do it by eye, but I'm trying to be more precise today because I want to give this new pancake mix the benefit of the doubt. We're going to put our egg in there. There we go. And that's basically everything that I would have to include for this mixture. So if it comes out a little bit thin, that's okay. It looks just about right. I usually do it by eye anyway. I would say that's a pretty fair and normal consistency for pancake batter. So we're going to put this over here, and we need a little ladle, which I thought I had out. Oh, here's one. This is good. So we're going to turn on the heat. I'm going to let that nice cast iron pan heat up. So everything should be good. So we're just going to move this a little bit closer, get these plastic things away. And we're using 2% milk, which is what I normally use. Okay, and sometimes I use sweet butter, sometimes salty, but lately with pancakes I've been using salty butter. Unless it's German pancakes, always use sweet. Otherwise it comes out like a discus. So, buttering up the pan. Not too hot yet, the pan. We know that flame is much higher than I'll cook at. Yeah, it's a little, just to heat it up. So that's about right, a little past medium. And now we're gonna check out what happens. See, is this good? Is there really a difference between the name brands? I guess if you did it pure, it'd just be water for each. But I don't think it'd be fair if I'm usually adding milk and egg to the pancake mix and then make this plain. Because obviously the milk and egg add some flavor. That's a little bit thin, more like a crepe. But we're going to see what happens. Because this is a cast iron pan, I can use a metal spatula. So the classic thing to do is wait and see for the bubbles to start popping all around, that the air bubbles coming out. It's not really air as much as probably the water in the batter turning to steam. So it's probably water vapor bubbling out. Because if I tried to turn it now, obviously it would just be a mess. And I'm sure they're going to look like normal pancakes, but will they taste right? So you can see a lot of bubbles appearing. Not really popping yet. I mean, ideally, if you do it just right, they'll start to pop and the surface we're looking at will turn dry. That's a good indication that when you try to flip it, the bottom will have cooked enough that it's congealed, or can, probably could lift the edge now. Yeah, but see, it's a little, this part's not. That's because I got a narrow burner under here. Smells good. I'll lower the heat a little bit. Well, see, it's not really. I'm rushing a little bit. Okay. That's the first one. Smells good. Let's come back in a bit and see how it tastes. All right. Thanks for watching.